You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. In English it is said as cul-de-sac, meaning a dead end. Cul-de-sac, it actually means literally in French the rear end of a sack or a bag, if you wish, and in French it is said as cul-de-sac, so very different pronunciation. But in English, cul-de-sac is how you say it. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least it helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.